Chapter 9, Reflexive Pronouns continued. I wrote 5 sentences here and I would like you to tell me how to translate them into German. He shaves. I gave you the infinitive sich rasieren. So how would you say that? Er rasiert sich. Correct. We take a shower. And to take a shower means sich duschen. Wir, let's do it, wir duschen uns. Alright, richtig. Nummer 3, they change clothes. And to change clothes means sich umziehen. Sie ziehen sich um. Alright, umziehen. Umziehen is a several prefix, that's why the is at the end. Alright, number 4. I combed my hair. Sich kämmen. Here I use the past tense, just to show you how that would work. So, in other words, I have combed my hair. Ich habe mich gekämmt. Sound familiar? Ich habe gekämmt, and I combed my own hair. I did it for myself. That's why it has to be mich. You put on makeup. To put on makeup is sich schminken. So, du schminkst dich. So far so good. I think you know how to form the basic reflexive pronoun sentence. Now, sometimes we want to add information to these reflexive pronouns. We want to specify, for example, which part of our body we want to wash, or which part of our body we want to put makeup on, like our face, for example, or we want to wash our hands. So we are adding information, and when we are adding information, when we are adding another noun, for example, this other noun is going to be the accusative case. So let's look at the first sentence. To wash your hands, for example. Ich wasche, I wash my hands, right? Subject, verb, direct object. So, what happens? We don't have two direct objects next to each other, right? Ich wasche die Hände. This is a direct object. So, as a result, the reflexive pronoun has to become dative. Ich wasche mir die Hände. Again, we added a noun, and this noun is in the direct object. So the mich, the original mich, has to change to mir, because now we add a direct object to it. So when you say you wash your hands, then you have to say du wäschst dir die Hände. Again, the original dich, du wäschst dich, you would have just said you wash yourself. But now we are specifying what we are washing, and then the dich has to change to dir. If you look at the rest of the pronouns, they don't change. They're just like the ones we did when we talked about the accusative. So the only ones you have to pay attention to and analyze, whether you added a direct object to the sentence or another body part, for example, then the ich changes to mir. Ich wasche mir die Hände. And the du changes to dir. Du wäschst dir die Hände. Other than that, the reflexive pronouns stay the same.